Yo, what up, everybody? If you were copy trading with Replicanto, if you trade from TraderVate, does it copy? If you trade with the lead account, it will copy trade the rest of them. As long as you still have it open on your computer. So if you have Replicanto open on your computer, it will continue even if you trade on TraderVate. Maybe. Possibly. Yo, what up, Roro? 007. Prelims up here. Flip. Yo, Bartolo, what up? What up, what up? Seems like the play is to look for dips and buy. Yeah, I mean, we're trending up today. That's definitely for sure. There's no hiding that. I'm starting to dude, I've had a fucking amazing day. I'm up over 4,300 bucks today, and I'm starting to sell my positions. I just know that's a big number in one day. Time to start reeling some of it back.
Order filled. Order
Dude,
filled.
I might just. It looks like this is gonna fucking explode. This is the only thing that worries me is we're right at the daily pivot point. We are right there. Obviously, we were sold off pretty well. I'm gonna take a wild shot right here. Oh, damn, dude, that's fucking low.
Order filled.
That's a what up, Walter? What up, David? Yo, that account that I was down $1,100 in, I just locked in a payout. I'm gonna request $700 and something today from Topstep. You blew 2 funded accounts today? Yeah, Carl, overtrading will get you.
Order filled.
I might hold one.
Order filled.
I might just hold this to the fucking end of day. I have this crazy feeling. So this is the hourly. I wouldn't be surprised if we probably see 71 or something. $71 is the peak here. That'd probably be. I'm just saying it wouldn't surprise me. I don't know. If you bought the accounts during their thing, they might honor it no matter what, or they might just extend it like a month.
Order filled.
What's up, Akash? I'm debating on whether to buy one contract. I'm debating on whether to buy one contract and hold. I'm not in it now, but if we got to like, I would want some type of dip. Some type of dip would be kind of what I would want. Maybe to like 24 or something. We dip back to the 34. You know what I don't like about this? I don't like the colors here. Jeez. My colors are just like, they're not that bright. There we go. Now I can see it a little bit better. But I mean, yeah, coming back down to like 524, I might grab one and hold. Yeah, I would be looking long personally. This shit's crazy. Dude, this market is just ripping. Ripping. I'm just looking. Oh, we're riding the dude. It's just riding up.
Order filled.
Whatever. I'm fucking holding to the end of the day. Whatever happens, happens. I gotta sell at 68. I'll buy one in here so you can see it. I just bought it in I bought it in Topstep, so I put it on this screen so you could see it. Oh, man. Market just seems so strong right now. I mean, we're at 40. It's only 28 points away. I'm going to hold it unless we start getting, like, if we get a massive candle and another double candle, like 2 candles in a row of solid green, I'll probably end up taking it. You know, if we get like a big momentum push. You know, this would be, you know, we go past 50, get to like 55, that'd be extremely bullish. But that would be the move, like that, this would be the move, and I would sell on this move, is what I'm saying. If we just grind, that's different. But if we start pushing, I'm selling on the push. You know, now we're starting to leave the consolidation. I want to see some continuation here. Or are we just going to grind where, you know, up, down, and just keep doing that? Which is fine by me, but I'm just waiting for that big push out to get me to sell.
Order filled.
I'm trying to scalp in between. Come on. I don't like 75K accounts. What up, Oliver? What up, what up? I'm not a 75K account guy. Either 50s or 150s. No in between. Yeah. Are they going to give up the 9 here? Here we go. Push back up. Push back up. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. This big drop actually messed up my fucking day. Hey, Daily N, welcome to the stream. I lost like $400 on that drop. It just came out of nowhere. Ugh. Is this thing gonna roll over? So you're staying up? I'm not fucking leaving. I am here. Oh, dude. So one of them I locked in a payout. The one I was down at $1,100, Corey, I got it all the way back green and then up 200 and something dollars, and I locked in a payout. This other one's down $900. I'm down 900 in it, and I took two shots. I got caught in this dump for 400 and something dollars, and then I took a couple shots, and hasn't been great.
Order filled.
I think I'm going to go back to try to
Order filled.
oh, this
Order
shit's...
filled. Order rejected.
Oh, you can only buy 2 fucking contracts in Topstep? As long as it stays above the 9, it looks like it's going to freaking roll. Although I wanted to earlier, I was saying I wanted it to dip to here, but if it doesn't roll within this candle or the next candle, I'm out. Yeah. A cash. It's a scaling plan? I might just exit this. I'm out.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm about to blow this fucking account, honestly. I was right there I was $70 away from a payout, and I got caught in this big fucking dump out of nowhere, and it just messed my day up. Come on. Dude, that dump was brutal. I don't even know what caused it. Like, I have no idea if there was like oil delivery numbers or what, but Are they not going to fucking pump this? Come on, get over 34. Oh, I didn't know that. Those fucks messing up the market.
Order filled.
All right, only down $40 now in this account. Woo! Unbelievable. The Apex deal, it's not worth buying an account right now, Oliver. It's like it's 50% off. It's not worth it. I would say My Funded Futures and Take Profit Trader are probably have the best deals currently. Take Profit Trader has the deal going on until Sunday. It's 40% off, no activation fee. And if you get a payout with that account, they send you your eval money back. So basically, if you get a payout with the account's free. If you're talking about Take Profit Trader, yeah, it's lifetime. If you use, if you buy right now with the coupon code, you will get it for lifetime. You're locked in. Yeah, Take Profit Trader, the cherry on top is they'll send you your eval money back if you get a payout. Bro, Ace. I'm up $4,500 of real cash today. Real cash. I'm pretty happy right now. It would take a lot to fuck my day up. Here you go, Ace. Month to date, 6,100. That's yesterday and today. Yo, you'll get that 500, McLean. You got it. Caveman. Oh, not the price, the refund of the eval on the payout. Yeah, they'll refund your eval money. So like if you pay $102 for a 50K and you get a payout with that 50K, they'll send you your payout plus the $102. That's a pretty good deal. It ends Sunday. I'm going to add some accounts. I got 3 accounts right now. I'm gonna tack on a couple. Bum, 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 bum. Dude, they just brought this right back up. I'm in the same boat. That's so crazy how I was talking about buying it at 24. Just feels like it's losing a little steam here. They got to consolidate it. The move is kind of dying out. A massive move. I mean, we're up a lot today. When it dips, it feels sketchy. Bro, you ain't kidding. Anytime we're up like over 1% and you get a dip, it feels sketchy to me. Feels real sketchy. Feels like I'm about to get smoked every time it dips. Amelia, what up? What's up, Amelia? I mean, there's definitely FOMO. So you got to remember, the first couple days of the year, you're getting a lot of inflows. A lot of people are dumping money back into the market. A lot of people sold for tax reasons, and they basically are waiting for. They're just basically waiting for the new year to go back in. And now you're getting that. You're getting all the new people coming back in, and you know, that's what's happening. This is just inflows. For $12 left in drawdown, for 12 or in drawdown, or to go over. What is it? What is it? Is it for? What are we looking at right now? Damn, McLean. Yo, I know that feeling. I know that feeling. You're getting so close. You're like, hit the button, hit the button. Oh, geez, hit the button, hit the button. Oh, man, I should have just fucking held. I was calling 68 is what I was calling. I should have held. I even said I was going to buy on a dip to 24. The reason I was looking at 24 is it would have brought you right into this, what is that called? Breaker block. That's what it would have brought you back into, and that's why I was looking to bounce here. Oh, until daily loss limit? Yo, just stop for the day. Dude, just stop. Your daily loss limit will reset tomorrow. Just chill out. No need to blow the account. Dude, we're getting back up into all these fair value gaps on the 1 hour. Not saying we're going to reject. I'm just saying it looks starting to get a little freaking. The 1 hour is definitely extended. Take profit trader doesn't work. You just got to shut it off. I can't believe this shit. Not today, boys. Not today. Yeah, man. I'll be honest with you. I should have fucking held. Oh, this is gross. This is so gross that I want. This is what happens when you don't stick to your plan. My plan was to buy on the dip back inside this breaker block. I didn't. I would have actually sniped like the bottom. So stupid. It's so hard to go long up here. What's up, Joyce? What's up? What's up? There's somebody that's looking for the short here. I can tell you that right now. Somebody here is looking for the short. So stupid because I talked about it. That's my problem. I mean, like, I literally was talking about just staying long and just didn't fucking hold. Yeah, when you get that low on drawdown, dude, it's awful. Getting low on, I'll be honest with you, once I get to like probably $400 left, I got one trade left in me. Joseph, people love trying to short it. So if you guys watched my video that I made last week, I think it was last week or 2 weeks ago, I put it out on the weekend. I fucking back tested this move, by the way, and I took it today. I didn't hold, obviously, because I'd freaking be up a ton, but I back tested that if you blow through the hourly, which is this line, trading range, and you go 50 points over it, that's 50 points, right? You go 50 points over it. If this trades back down to the 1 hour trading range, the bounce is like 95% of the time it bounces at least 15 or 20 points. Minimum. Sure enough, traded all the way back down, bounced at 41, and you would have gotten 35 points, you know. And as long as it held above, I mean, you could have kept playing it. But I back tested that trade, and I take it every single time now. That's the trade. It's the first hour. It's the first hour of trading. See, that's the top. This is the bottom. Anytime you blow through the top by 50 points and come back and retest it, it bounces like 95% of the time. The other thing is if you only go 25 points and it comes back down, it bounces like 85% of the time. I'm willing to take an 85% trade, so I'm good with that. What is this indicator? It's Tiki opening range, but it's just the 1 hour. It's the first hour of trading. It's nothing special. It's just the top and the bottom between 9:30 and 10:30. Dude, I did some backtesting videos on that. I did backtesting videos on. So here's another trade that happened today that I backtested that you guys probably didn't watch, but I'll key you in on it. Right here is the 15-minute opening range, right? We opened right here, we wicked, and this is the top of the 15, right? So if you trade below the 15 and close, and I think it was something like 10 or 15 points down, when you come back inside the 15-minute opening range, you take that long. And sure enough, we traded below the 15-minute opening range. And then when we traded back through is when you take that long, and that trade happens a lot of fucking times as well. I have it on the video. You got to watch. I backtested like maybe a month every day manually, and I was jotting it down. Full, that's why drawdown. The upside seems great. That downside scary. Where will this retrace to? It may not.
Order filled.
I'm going to try scalping just a little bit.
Order filled.
Yo, yo, yo. Yeah, it's on. So it's on my manual simulation backtesting. Yeah. Let me see if I can just find it for you real quick. I'll put the videos in here. Let me see if I can just do it. This is one of them. I think these are the two videos. If not for my 2 Apex account ghost order shit, reducing that account to 1K drawdown, I would have made 2,000. Just keep working it up. You might have left orders in. I've left orders in. It just happens. You just leave orders in. By the way, I know a couple guys were smoking some ribs the other day and some brisket. Dude, I put some ribs in the oven, wrapped them in aluminum foil with some Memphis rub on it, with some honey and I just sliced some butter and laid it on top of the ribs. Dude. Yo, what's up, Pips? Yo, I locked in a payout yesterday. You're welcome back, man. Just throwing it out there. I locked in a payout yesterday, and I locked in another payout today. And I'm up in a fuck ton of PA accounts. I don't hold any grudges, man. Just throwing it out there. You're more than welcome to hang around. Yeah, man. Yo, Bob, post it in the Discord. I'll take a peek. I'll take a peek. We gonna bounce? Dude, we might just grind up on the
Order filled.
I'm gonna try scalping the upside in this Topstep account. I'll take it right here so you can see it. Same trade. Tight ass stop. Tight stop. I'm just seeing if it just rides on the if we just take the 34 up. How many props do I trade? I trade Apex, My Funded Futures, Bullnox, and Take Profit Trader. And then I also trade my own money in I have an AMP futures account that I trade my own money in. And then outside of the props, I use E-Trade for options and stocks. This doesn't look good. This is gonna fucking dump.
Order filled. Order filled.
Holy shit. Are they gonna unload this all the way down? Well, I stopped using Replicanto and using another copy because it kept entering ghost orders. Dude, I don't get that issue.
Order filled.
I don't ever get that issue. I have it up right here. So are you just sitting there and orders just pop up, Island Boy? Is this going to unload? I'll risk it. This is not a good trade. I'm just letting you guys know. I'm waiting for that big throw up moment in the market. I've been waiting for it all day and we haven't gotten it. I'm waiting for it to just puke. But if it trades north of this candle, I'm fucking out. I'm looking for the throw up of throw ups. I want to see it get under here and get fucking down and dirty. But it hasn't given it to us. I hate this shit. Look, they just buy it right back up. I was trading Tradeify. Yeah. I might have a Tradeify account still live. Hold on. You want me to look? Hold on. I was trading Tradeify up until probably last week. Oh, what the fuck is my login? I'll look for you. Hold on. Dude, I just logged into one of my Tradeovates. I don't even know what account this is. There's no accounts inside. Yeah. Oh, Josh. Brother. Yo, we stacking gains over here, brother. Yo, Josh, check this out. This is why I know I've talked to you because you trade some options. Just a cool 6,200 between yesterday and today. Yeah, I wish I would. Shoot, I don't do 0DT at all, brother. Jeez. I like my money. I like my money. Dude, those... Did I buy calls? I had some calls. I wrote puts. I had some stock. Had some call, you know, a little bit of... Dude, I was just like sprinkling it around. See, I add on the way down on things. And I make money on the way down. So as we were going down, I was kind of hedging. I was buying puts of MSTR and QQQ. So I was making money. I was hedging it on the way down and actually making money. But yeah, holy shit. Baba, I'm looking right now. That's weird how it just... Yeah, whatever happened during that hour just dropped it. It's so crazy looking at somebody that only takes 2 trades. It's awesome, though. I wish I could only do 2 trades. Yeah, you got to put that daily loss limit in on your accounts, Baba, and then you won't have an issue. Yo, I would contact them and show them that you had your daily loss set at 200 and see what happens. That would be my number one thing I'd be doing is contacting them and saying, hey, I had a daily loss limit. Why didn't it stop? Yeah, I would say something, man. Also got my take profit trader accounts up today. I locked in a Topstep account payout as well. Does Take Profits Trader let you set your daily loss limit in Tradeovate? There's an issue with Tradeovate. It like doesn't really work for whatever reason. I don't understand what the deal is, to be honest with you. Joe, trying to make money, man. I told you guys yesterday I was done slamming accounts. Yes, I was just slamming the accounts for I was slamming the accounts to get as many as I can over. I also locked in a payout here. I'm going to take money out today. I think I can take what, like $730 out. And I got the My Funded Futures payout yesterday. Last couple hundred, dude, the last 100's always the hardest. If it was going to reject, this is the spot. Look, we got right in that fair value gap on the hourly. If they reject it, this could be like a good flush.
Order filled.
I took one short.
Order filled.
I just fucking added. I'm short just to show you. My stop is right there. I'll copy it in this account so you can just see it.
Order rejected. Order filled.
Bro, who the fuck likes that? Come on, who likes that shit? Who likes that? Dude, that was nice. I needed that. That was just like $400 in Topstep. That's it. This is a flush. Dude, you got a nice little kind of head and shoulder-ish going on. Head, shoulder, shoulder. You broke. I wouldn't even play the bounce. I bet you would come all the way down. Either we're going to test these wicks or we'll probably test the 200. That would be my guess. Not that I'm in. That would be my guess. I'll play right here. My stop is above that candle. Come on, I want continuation. I want you to throw up on yourself. Let's go. I want the puke. Give me the puke. I'll take it. I'll take it. We're getting close to 500. Just let you guys know. We're almost at 21,500. So it's going to get fucking dicey to hold a short that long. Just throwing it out there. You know, you're probably going to see a bounce of some sort around here. It would make so much sense to go down to the 200 because you would basically sweep the lows of this wick. You would sweep 500 so you'd get those sellers in, and then you'd bounce it right back up. Yo, McLean! Yo. Give it up. Yo, smash the freaking... That's your first one, McLean? Is that your first one, man? Nice, brother. First one of the year. Yo, you got to pop that eval cherry this year, man. Boom. Oh, yo, I know you're pumped over there, too. You're probably fucking slapping it. Yeah. Yo, I love that feeling, man. You lost them all. Yo, I'm going to be real, man. The week of Christmas and the week of New Year's, it's super hard to trade because there's not a lot of volume in the market. Today is actually probably the last day of low volume, but what's going on today is you're getting inflows. So it's kind of making it better than it normally is. But after today, you're going to go back to how it was trading, you know, how it should be trading. Yo, you're like fucking Dave Chappelle when he's the crack guy. Like, yo, where's those free longs at? Yo, where the free longs at? I love that meme. Yeah, it's, you know what it is? It's just people. So a lot of people do tax. This looks good again. Another ride down. A lot of people do tax selling at the end of the year. So what happens is they sell all their shit in like December, all their losers, which push losers even further down. And then they end up, rebuying them back now. Or they'll put that money towards other things. A lot of people, you got to remember also the first of the month, people have money that comes out of their check. Plus the new year, there's a lot of money that goes in the first couple of days. Tomorrow the market is closed. Yep. Yo, you can always trade crypto all weekend. My brother's trying to get me to trade leverage crypto coins. I guess you can lever up to like 100x on crypto. Oh, Akram. Whoa. Dude, that sucks, man. I'll be honest with you. Any of you guys not using the top firms, like you could definitely get a rug pull. The crypto death march. Yeah, I like shorting crypto coins more than buying them. I'm definitely looking for the short because it's a staircase up and it's the fucking elevator down in crypto land. Those guys rushed for the exit. Can't lose with what about Fart Coin? Fart Coin's the big one. Like, I just don't understand. Who's investing their hard-earned money into Fart Coin? I have no idea. Euros run a lot of leverage longs, Asians too. Oh, you're talking about like in crypto, like they lever up? Yo, man, print it out. Akram, print it out. I would print out because you're not going to get another profit trade eval pass anymore. You'll always remember that one. What's crazy is I knew somebody that got a payout from them. I bought 2 accounts that were straight to funded when they were running a deal. And then I was like, you know what? Let me wait on this before I really go heavy. And I'm glad I could have went heavy. Yeah, what's good though is that you passed. And once you pass one, it's easy to pass more. It's definitely easy to pass after you've done it before. Dude, we went fucking crazy today. Look at these PAs. I'm almost at a payout, actually. Where is it? I'm $527 away from a payout. This one's up there. Definitely been working them up. Definitely working to get freaking payouts. I'm telling you, man, payouts all day. Yeah, I hear you, Akram. Dude, it sucks. I got rug pulled by Fast Track. I had like 5 or 7 accounts with Fast Track, and they rug pulled me. Yo, I'll be honest with you. I don't like Topstep. The only reason I have a Topstep account is I got rebuilt from an older account. It doesn't make sense. I would rather get my funded futures or take profit trader account, especially while take profit trader is running the deal that they're doing. I would do take profit trader, because if you get a payout, they send you your eval money back, and basically your account is for free. Like, it doesn't get better than that. It's 40% off, no activation fee. So there's no, my funded futures does no activation fee also. It just makes more sense that way, to be honest. The no activation fee is where it's at. I wonder what they're going to do next, because obviously Topstep used to give beanies. There it is. 40% off, no activation fee, and then they give you back your eval money. It ends on Sunday. Sunday, it's over. Oh, they used to give benefits. So Take Profit Trader gives you reward points. You get rewards for passing accounts, and then your reward points could be used for free resets and stuff like that. Yeah, Topstep definitely got uppity. You know, the longer this takes, the more this creeps up, the more I even like it better. Dude, they were just, yeah. I wouldn't get another account with Topstep, personally, unless they ran some type of deal. You know, if they run a deal, they run a deal. That, you know, I go where the deals are, mostly. You know, that's why I got all these Apex accounts, you know. But if no one, you know, now Take Profit Trader is a spot that has a good deal. But if no one's running the deal and it's just normal pricing, my funded futures is normally the spot. Take Profit Trader, Apex if I want to slam accounts. The biggest thing with Take Profit Trader is you can't slam it. You just got to work it up. Like, you know, I got these accounts and I'm done for the, you know, I don't want to hit the consistency rule on the eval. So I'm done for the day in here. And this one, I'm just waiting. I'm up already. So it's not like a huge deal where I got to freaking do something. Same for me, full port. The two that I passed, one was Topstep. This new one. Yeah, the charts do look better. That's why I make my decisions. I make my decisions on these other things. Damn. Dude, that's nice. Yeah, I'll smash the confetti for you, man. I'll smash some confetti. I'll even give you the.
We did it. We did it, Joe.
Yo, Joe, are you copy trading all 19 at the same time? Or all 19? I might scalp this to the up. If we get over this 34, if we get over the 34, I could see it. Get over 534 and you're looking pretty fucking good, actually. It's got to go over, though. Can't do that. Cannot do that because this is looking now like a bear flag to be. It would have broken out. It's looking bear flaggy. It's looking bear flaggy, and you're getting stretched on the 1 minute on overbought. Oh damn! I deleted the. I have conditioned myself to do it so when they are fully funded, I can stack gains and learn how to lose and step away. Dude, the fact that you're copy trading all 19 accounts at once, Joseph, is massive balls. Massive, massive. You know, because you're trading them essentially as one account. Yo, McLean family, enjoy the weekend, man. Awesome that you passed your first one. Awesome, awesome. I'll catch you on Monday. Full port for the boys. I love this screen name. Yo, when I use the shapes tool to draw a 4-hour supply and demand on Tradevate, it doesn't show up on the 1 minute. Any tips? Yo, it should show up on the 1 minute. All right, so I'll draw. Are you talking about this, the trend line shapes? So I'll put this line right here, right? It's right there.
Order filled.
Yo, I'm going to scalp this bad boy. Yo, I got my stop is at 23. I'm looking for like 37. Did you see, though, that it worked? Oh, I got to enable it, Josh. I got to enable it. Haven't enabled it. I've been trading. Boom, 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 boom. On Tradeovate. Oh, dude, on Tradeovate, bro, you're. Yo, Tradeovate sucks, man, for charting. Probably doesn't work on Tradeovate. That's the problem.
Order filled. Order filled.
That's the problem, is it's not working on Tradeovate. You want to hear some market don't go sideways because I need cash now?
Order filled.
Dude, I love that. It's so fucking catchy, too. I heard someone say it like fucking, bro, like 7 years ago. I heard someone say it maybe a while ago, and it just stuck in my freaking head.
Order filled.
Market don't go sideways because I need
Order
cash
filled.
now. Yeah, it's the commercial, but they obviously changed the words. But yeah, it's fucking amazing. Dude, they're going to unload this shit.
Order filled.
I just scalped it to the downside. To the downside? It was some guy I traded with. I forget who it was. Somebody used to say it on a voice chat. It was one dude. I don't take credit for other people's stuff, but he had a couple different sayings. And that one stuck in my head. Market don't go sideways because I need cash now. Are they not going to drop this thing? Dude, Ray's in Germany now. Ray is over in Germany. Hold on, my other kid just got home. I got to open the door. Hold on 1 second. I'm with. Oh man, I'm back. I'm back, baby. Is it gonna finally go?
Order filled.
I'm scalping to the downside. My stop is right above this candle, like 15. Come on, give me one more fucking push down. I'm gonna get stopped. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Give me the push. I'm getting out break even.
Order filled.
I'm out break even. I'm worried that, see how we're getting lower on here? I'm getting worried that we're getting oversold and they're not gonna fucking push it. It looks really good though. It looks really good. I just have my rules, you know? You got to have your rules. Once we start getting too low on here, I'm not going to chase the short. Oh, I didn't get an email back from them yet. Dude, they suck at let me see. I'm going to just let me see if they got back to me. Yeah, oh, they did get back to me. The answer is no. The answer is no. So you don't have Zelle, you don't have PayPal, and you don't have Venmo. You got crypto? Well, you don't have crypto. I'm gonna try figuring something out. I can't buy codes and send you like accounts or anything like that. This is what I was worried about, by the way. That's exactly what I was worried about. Because now, if I was in the short, not only am I losing, but I'm like, man, this doesn't look fucking good. Dude, they banned you? What were you selling? Were you selling feet picks? Is that what happened? Too many feet picks? Yo, I'll tell you what, you got basically a bottom here. We get over 527. This is going to look pretty bullish.
Order filled. Order filled.
Come on, I want to get over 527. Come on, we got some juice in the tank. We got some juice in the tank. We're not. Oh, come on, turn this shit around.
Order filled.
Holy fuck! What was that? Oh, did I just get algoed out? How much did I win in my best month? What, in the stock market? I assume you're talking about the stock market, right? Dude, did they just algo this and they're going to rip it right the fuck back up? If you're wondering how much I made in my biggest month in the stock market, I don't know. Maybe I would have to go back and look, but it was probably close to 100 grand. I don't go for massive gainers. I go for more consistent gains, but I crushed it during the COVID crash. Like the month it crashed, I made a lot of money. Made a lot of money. You got to charge back 1,000 from a client who I did a job 6 months ago and they won the dispute. Bro, that's crazy.
Order filled. Order filled.
That's crazy that they can dispute you that far away.
Order filled.
I just scalped that. They didn't fucking film me here, though. Yo, Tennessee Rob is back. What up, man? What up? Yo, happy 2025, man. I think I got to move my camera right behind my main screen is what I'm going to do. Bum, 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 bum. Are they going to film me?
Order filled.
I jumped the gun in Topstep. Oh.
Order filled.
Bro, I'm not going to lie. That was probably the easiest fucking trade of the day. DA currency? How do I get this? It's part of the software. Part of the software. PayPal locked my accounts at 1K and wouldn't tell me why. Eventually, they released my money and instantly closed my account. Jeez. Yo, Robinhood is introducing futures this year. Dude, so I have a Robinhood account. I just got one. I threw a couple shekels in it. I am not a super fan of Robinhood. I'm just not a super fan of it. I am. What's crazy is in my Robinhood, I don't even know how to look at performance. How's that sound? I don't. Yeah, so year to date, my Robinhood account, just because I'm fucking open, I show you guys everything. Make sure it doesn't have my fucking address. Oh. I'm up $225 in Robinhood. I prefer E-Trade, to be honest with you, but E-Trade's fucking, oh, dude, this thing just keeps going up at 4,900 on the day. My biggest problem with Robinhood, with E-Trade, is Robinhood has lesser margin fees, and also cash that I'm not using, I make 4% on. So it's pretty nice. But the platform is awful. I have AMP for futures, Trader Hacks. I have AMP. Fund a futures account with T-bills. Look at that, like right off the fucking 200. That was a layup. I wish I held it longer. Robinhood Legend runs smooth to be under 6 months old. Yeah, I mean, I pulled it up yesterday for the first time. I don't know. It's I'm pulling it up right this second. Let me see what happens. I don't know. It's like one of those things that I guess is pretty cool because you can do like your own layout. Like you can add widgets and stuff. Which I guess is good. I don't know. I got to play with it. It's an option. The best thing is it's a bright green app. Yeah, the app is definitely bright. I might, like I said, the cash that you're not using, they give you 4% on, which is amazing. And their margin fees are like half of E-Trade's. So listen, I get it. I fully get it. At the end of the day, you know, it's pretty cool. I just, Momo gives you 8% of what? Yo, your money if you just let it sit in there? Webull gives you 8%. Oh, dude, you guys are going to make me get fucking new accounts. I don't know. I'm like freaking torn now. Cove, I've got a 50K Apex PA above the threshold, but it currently is in violation of 30% rule. If I request and get denied, will the next 8 days be a fresh start? Yeah, basically they just want you to trade for 8 fresh days. Yeah. Yeah, I really want the Robinhood gold card for the credit card. That's all I really wanted. I don't think I'm getting it, but man. I'm just trying to think what I want to do here, to be honest with you. I'm looking at my options positions in stock, and I'm just curious if I want to sell or not sell. I've been selling, and I'm just curious if I want to sell more. I think I'm just going to hold what I got. And if we're up another day on Monday, maybe take some more of this shit off. Actually, I'm going to sell calls against SoFi shares if we're up on Monday. That's the plan. I've been selling a lot. Dude, Design Knob, I remember that. It was like minus $700,000. Dude, minus 700,000.
Order filled.
I'm going to try scalping this.
Order filled.
Did I just scalp that right off the 200 again? For like 60 bucks. If you look though, the trend is, see how this like has a curve to it? It follows the curve, it's going to unload here. I think if it gets under, it could really fucking get under. You may be one of the buyers, dude. If we open up on Monday up like 30 cents, I'm selling the 1550s or the 1600s weekly, $16 weeklies. When in doubt, always full port. I like SoFi. I'm just trying to collect, you know. I think we have at least another day up of significant jump, maybe 30, 40 cents. And then I could, instead of selling the stock, I'll just, you know, I want to keep holding it. Always take a free long if they're offering it. Always take a free long. This thing looks like it just can't. Dude, I got some EVA. I actually have like. Is that how far I got to go? Yeah, something like that. They might just bounce this up. It's kind of breaking the trend. See how it's going above the 9 now? This might break the trend and just fucking rip. I really wanted to see when we were right here, this green candle, I wanted to see a flush. We're not really getting what I wanted. Yo, what's up, Zane? What up, Zane? Rosales is in the house. Man, it's hanging. It's hanging with Mr. Cooper right now.
Order filled. Order filled.
It's just not getting the juice. Not getting the juice.
It's not here in time. I'm putting it on you.
Completely missed that. I'm looking at trying to fix a pencil. I hope somebody got that. Hope someone got it. hanging like old man balls. Jesus. There it is. This is the previous day high, by the way. See this pink line? That's the previous day high. I'm curious if we bounce or we're going to sell right through this bad boy. Probably targeting 445.
Order filled. Order filled.
This scalping. I don't trust this. Oh, shit. Dude, I'm going to tell you, this script's not bad. This script, see how it forms the trend? Like, we broke the trend and it knew, like, it's called TBT chart prime, and it draws trends that, you know, when you break the trend, you go south or, you know. Wow. Dude, that was a nice freaking play. What's up, bull breakers? Now we reject right here and just give the old 500 rejection. You got the 200. You have 21,500 and the 200. You're hitting it from the bottom.
Order filled.
I got filled on this on Topstep, by the way. My stop is right over 500, but I didn't get filled here. This is the play, though. I'm playing it to the downside. I'm only scalping, though.
Order filled.
Move my stop right there. I want to see it stay under the 9. Ooh, that's not what I wanted to see. Bust over 500, they're probably going to take this back up.
Order filled. Order Order filled.
Might have been the worst fucking fill in all of history of prop firms. This is all in. This is an eval.
Order filled. Order filled.
Fuck, man. I'm replicating. So are your activations for Apex? Nah, $85. $85. Make me holla. Who else is waking up at 3 p.m.? Wait. What's the deal at 3 p.m.? Oh, hold on one second. I was just asked if there's poop in his butt. Hold on. Dude, I got a kid home that's throwing up. So it's a rough day over at my house. Which means I'm probably going to be throwing up next week. But the good news is if I'm throwing up, I will probably still trade and stream. Should be interesting. Dude, if I get sick, I get sick, man. Like, I just roll with it, you know? You guys don't even realize some of the times I'm sick and I stream. Like, I'll just feel completely like dog shit. And I'll stream. I had the flu a couple weeks back. I was streaming. That was pretty brutal. I'm up 500 on my 50K account. I'm taking it slow. Bro, just take it slow, man. There's no reason. There's no reason to just push it. You don't need to. Oh, this is like a little flag right here.
Order filled.
Oh, pop it. Pop a docket.
Order filled.
Dude, that just saved my fucking... Wow. Holy shit. That's why I don't trust the end of the day. Oh my God. Someone just got fucking rugged. Rugged. I actually chopped away a lot of the losses in Topstep. You want to see me trade crude? What's the contract? This is the contract, right? On the fast track to rug pull. My thing is like, I don't know, like what I look for may not work with it. See, so you had this breaker block right here. Like we dumped, we traded back into it and dropped. I love that fucking script. Dude. It's a pretty good fucking day. I'm gonna dude, I'm pissed off. I needed $30 more for 5,000. Did I take a My Funded Futures payout? Yeah, I took a My Funded Futures payout yesterday. And I'm taking a Topstep and payout today. Yo, I'm going for a payout every single day. Every single day I'm going for a payout. Yeah, fair value gaps, the inversions are where it's at. Yo, My Funded Futures paid me in like 30 seconds. It's like this checks getting cash store. Dude, I told you, man, my goal this year is just to get fucking massive profits. Massive, massive profits this year. This ends Sunday for everybody because someone's going to ask me. I know someone's going to ask me on Monday, is Take Profit Traders still running their deal? Checks cashed. What is it? Snapping necks and cashing checks. Is that what it is? Snapping necks and cashing checks from fucking earning and burning, snapping necks and cashing checks from fucking Step Brothers. I love that movie, man. Oh. Dude, today was awesome. Today was a really, really good fucking day. Ric Flair style. Woo! Bro, Danny Trades from FFF just full ported 30 contracts. Was up 19K and got out for minus 5K instead. Bro, I don't even know who that is. Oh, is that like funded family shit? I would never get an account there. Right? Is that what it's called? Like Futures Family or some shit like that? Futures Funded Family? Yo, can they come up with a worse name? Just saying. Could you get a worse name than that? Oh, man. Hey, man, I told you I was going to get a lot of payouts this year, so I need the accounts for the payouts. I need the accounts for the payouts, and you need to make the right trades for the payouts. That's where I'm going at. Dude, I don't know what the fuck my kid was doing with this. Trying to fix her pencil. It's like an automatic pencil thing. Dude, it's the worst name ever. Ever, ever, ever. I would... Why are they so much money? Literally, it's $150. I don't know. I'm out on that. Yeah, I would never use Funded Futures Family. So bad. So bad. Oh, man, this was an awesome day. Dude, I just realized today's Friday. I'm off on Topstep. Topstep, I just got because they rebuild me. I see you need seven days of $200 or more. Just by looking at the guy's picture, it feels like he's not going to pay me. And with a name like Family in there, it just seems like, all I could think about is Vin Diesel saying family 18,000 times during Fast and Furious. Family, family. I don't know. I'm out on that. You don't want to be part of the family? Yeah. Cove, the guy is a CEO and was being racist on Twitter. Yeah, I'm out on that. I'm out on anybody being racist, to be honest with you. Like,
The markets are closed.
Obviously, you guys know I live in New York. I mean, there's everybody from all types of walks of life that I'm friends with over here. I'm out on that. I just on purely on that, I'm out. Oh man, I just cracked my ankles, dude. I got some ribs waiting for me. Yo, when Scott said he wasn't racist and then he was calling people animals or something like that, dude, that guy was fucking wild, bro. That guy was wild. Can I hear your accent? I don't know. Can you? I'm sure you can. I'm sure you can. Bro, all the prop firm CEOs don't act like CEOs. Yeah, I mean, that's because they probably have never run a company before, and it's the first time they've ever ran a company, and it's the first time they're getting probably some really good money, even though they like fake showed you money on Twitter. Yeah, I'm out of Long Island right now. Flip. Yeah, you're dealing with 25-year-old kids. You know, like I just looked at the guy's picture. Like I do not think that guy's gonna pay everybody. Yo, design knob. That's what Scott said. It was freaking crazy. It's crazy. Yes, bull breakers. I see your message. I see your message. Why are you having trouble? Like, do you not see your message? Everyone sees it. Well, that's the thing, man. Like, he started the company. Am I in the mafia? No. The guy started the company. Then you see him buying all these cars and stuff like that. That's where, so I'll be honest with you, that's probably where a lot of the money went from the company. He was buying houses, he was buying cars. Like, granted, he owed a lot more, but like he probably owed, like he probably bought a couple $1 million worth of stuff. No snow currently over here. If I look at this, like towards the city, it looks like snow. Yeah, he definitely, he's not going to jail. He's just going to file bankruptcy. Dude, we're supposed to, design knob, we're supposed to get that big snowstorm coming. I don't know if it's going to hit us. I think we're supposed to get snow on what? Monday? They're calling for snow possibly Monday. But if you go online like they don't even know how much snow or anything. It's not even listed on weather.com. Corey, where are you? Anyways, you're down south. Yo, they always say it's going south, and then what happens is the jet stream pushes it up. And then we end up getting freaking snow. Oh, you're in Kentucky? Yo, you guys aren't used to that. Yeah, they're calling for 1 inch of snow. 1 inch of snow where I'm at. Yo, I'm good with 1 inch. 1 inch just like covers everything, makes it look good. Hey, man, 1 inch does the job, okay? But yeah, yo, it's enough where it covers everything, but it doesn't mess up travel and whatnot. Yeah, 1 inch is a lot. I would love to get hit with like a massive one. There's a 30% chance of me getting 2 or more inches. So we'll see what happens. Yo, if you're not used to it, Corey, it's a whole different game. Whole different game. I'm going to give everybody 5 more minutes to join the duck race, and then I'll run the duck race. I'll still hang out, but all these storms, like, it can still move. My friend always tells me about this. There's a 30% chance that we get 2 or more inches. It all depends how the storm goes, you know. If it ends up getting pushed up, if the jet stream pushes it up, we're going to get more. Yeah. It's going to be interesting. Yeah, it looks like it's going to swoop down and then back up. If it doesn't get pushed as far down, we'll get hit with a lot of snow. We'll see what happens. It's a lot of inches behind the Wendy's dumpster. I bet. I'll give everybody like 3 more minutes, and then we'll run this thing. Man, we just stacked today. Oh, man. Boom, 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 boom. Snow is fun when you're a kid. Then you start adulting and break your back, snowblowing, trying to walk. Yeah, so I like it. I obviously don't leave my house for work. We have a little hill behind my house, so we go snow tubing back there. So we can like sleigh ride a little bit in my backyard. Like it's not big enough for adults, but like the kids like it. And then I bring the fire pit out, and we do s'mores on the fire pit in the snow. So we have a whole little thing that we do. But for us to go snow tubing in my backyard. I need probably like, I need 2 inches of snow. And then what I do is I'll shovel snow on the grass on the sides and put it on the runway. And so it's like we got more snow. So that, you know, I need about 2 inches of snow though for us to do it, because it'll lay down 2 and then I push the other snow on. But anything less than 2, probably not going to be able to do it. Hey man, I try to do everything for the kids. All right, let me fire this thing up. It's Friday. I know you guys all want to leave. Anybody that's new on the stream, we stream live every day, 10:30 to noon, and again 2 p.m. to 4:30ish, sometimes later. If you want to support the stream, use coupon code COVETRADER. It's below, and that's what allows us to give away so many accounts. Also, seems like everyone that's using it is doing well. So there's karma in this life. We are going to run we are going to run 2 duck races, and then the 2 winners will race. That's what we're going to do. There's too many people too many people. So that's what we're going to do here. Get the ducks out. All right. Got to be on the stream to claim. Wah. Wah, wah. Let's go. This is everybody from the morning stream. There'll be a winner from the morning stream and then a winner from the afternoon stream, and then they'll make 1 winner. I have there's too many people to do one race. Yo, Trojan Duck? Where's the Trojan Duck at? Oh, there he is. Damn, visible ID. Yeah, no, you got to be in the chat. Visible, are you here? 2 minutes to say that you're here. Better computer. It only allows me to run 100 ducks. It's the duck people. Yo, you 425 visible. Otherwise, yo, Adam Rogers, man. What up? What up? Yo, stick around, man. Try button and stick around. Horizon Trades. What up? Yo, if he's not in here, run this thing. You got 1 minute. 1 minute. Winner gets a free account. Dude, he's not in here? Yo, once my computer hits 425, we're rerunning it. There'll be a new winner. Boom. Yo, Adam, did you you make money today? Joyce, this is the morning stream, people, and then we're doing the afternoon stream, and then we'll make 1 winner. I'm going to slap you with $50 that you can use for an Apex account. Or you could put it towards a take profit trader account if you want. Yo, Visible, not in here. He's not here. New winner. Somebody else. We are here. Let's go. Dude, I feel so good, man. I got to request my payout also. Boom, boom. 25 seconds. Who do we got? Who do we got? Yo, let the granny duck win one time. They haven't let the Trump duck win ever. Trump duck has never won once. I think there's something that doesn't allow him to win. Yo, Adam, you up today? Were you trading? You up today? Yo, it's 426. You got till 428. Elvin, you here? Somebody. Elvin, you here? I'm going to be here until 8 o'clock at night. He's got to 428. I'm seeing what the market's doing. Oh, he's here. Cool. He's here. All right. Don't go anywhere. All right. Here's everybody on the afternoon stream. The system is totally rigged.
The system is totally rigged.
Oh shit, what just happened there? Well, we're not running 10 minutes. Oh, this thing's fucking slowing up. I'm going to try and find legit education for future strats, bro. For the first one I found, I'm coming from Forex and crypto trading. Yeah, Forex and crypto trading is rough, man. I have some really good videos for education. I also have some back testing videos that I did as well. I back test strategies, replaying it real time on TradingView, and you could kind of see if it works or not. And I jot it down on a spreadsheet and everything, and I back test strategies. Oh baby, psychic trader, I have no idea. Dude, Marco Cross and Elvin. Marco Cross has won 2 times in like a week. Wait, is Marco in here? Oh yeah, he is. Okay, Marco and all right. Damn. Marco, you freaking lucky, man. Marco again. Do you recommend going for Apex or Topstep for your first payout? I'll be honest with you. If you want the easiest way to get your first payout, My Funded Futures has the easiest rules for a payout. My Funded Futures, once you are funded, you only need 5 days of $100 or more, and you can take a payout. That's the easiest one to get funded. Also, there's no activation fee. There's an activation fee with Topstep of $150. Damn. Bro, Marco's won 3 times. Yeah, they cap you 1,200 per, what is it, per week? Per week? You got to remember, Bangin', he's never gotten a payout before.
The system is totally rigged.
He's never gotten a payout before, so he's not going to make $8,000 in 2 days. You know, it's you know, he's probably going to make $1,200. You know, in a while. You know, I always tell newer people to go with my funded futures.
We did it. We did it, Joe.
We did it. We did it.
Do not come. Do not come.
I'm gonna come.
Oh. Yeah. I always tell newer people, have you ever got denied payout when you followed all the rules perfectly? The only time I've not gotten a payout, Apex wanted to see a video from me, and I showed them the video, and then I got paid. If you watch how I trade, I follow the rule. I follow all the rules for the most part. You know, I'm not DCAing a ton. My funded futures, I always use a 50K. You know, I don't DCA. I don't do $8,000 in a day. You know, I have a lot of accounts. I spread my gains over a lot of accounts. You know, I would say that I don't get denied because I trade pretty much the same size all the time and things like that. You know, then you have accounts like this, like these are take profit trader. You kind of do whatever you want. You know, I always tell people my funded futures is a great place. Have you ever had an account before though, Adam? Adam, is this like your first account ever? Also, Apex stopped running their deal, so I wouldn't buy their deal until they run at least 80% off. It's not worth it. The accounts were just $16, and now they want you to pay $50. So I would probably say not to get Apex for that reason. I would wait until they ran a deal. Yeah. I just feel like my funded futures. Yeah, I had a Topstep account that was in profit, but I stopped trading it because I went back to Forex. Yeah, I'll be honest with you, I tried trading Forex back in 2008, and then I tried again in 2000. Maybe I tried 2021. I wasn't a fan of Forex. Can you do my funded futures in Ninja Trader? I believe so. I believe so. How did you learn your strats? Did you have a mentor? No. Not really. I'll be honest with you. Everything is free on the internet, and then you decide what works for you. The Bullnox is great. 91% off Bullnox is great. You just You got to have a PC to run it. Oh, they started doing the Project X. Yeah. I did not have a mentor. I started trading stocks, and then I went into options, and then I went into prop firms. And I still do everything. You know, obviously I had a great day today, but you know, I made $4,900, and month to date I'm up 6,500. So this is my bread and butter. I make a ton of money trading options, and then I trade prop firms as well on the stream. Yo, later, Flip. But yeah, I trade also with my own money. Bullnox started doing Project X, which is interesting. Bullnox is great, but you could only do the 50K accounts, and you can only do and the activation fee is $150. Yeah. I find the best probabilities. I back test live. So what I do is I have trading view, and I'll hit the replay button, and then I'll go back days. Like I'll go back as far as I can go, and then I'll run the strategy. I'll hit play and run the strategy. And then on my other screen, I'll have an Excel spreadsheet on how many times the strategy worked, what was the drawdown, how much was the gain, what was the lowest gain, the biggest drawdown, and then I build strategies based on back testing. Yo, Marco, that's what it's about, man. You know? What's the difference between starter and starter plus? Starter plus has, I think, no consistency rule and no scaling. So starter is, see, they have a consistency rule and they have a scaling rule. You can only trade one mini until you hit 1,200. Starter plus allows you to do, they have a scaling rule also. There's no consistency rule. You could trade three minis right off rip. They still have a scaling rule though. I don't know what the scaling rule is. I'll be honest with you, now that they raised the starter and this is only $30 more, I might start doing starter pluses. Reset fee. They merged part of the expert with the starter. Yeah, it used to be different. Definitely used to be different. Y'all be honest with you, 40% consistency rule is up there. Like, do you think you're going to make over $1,000 a day? Like, futures live for like, Apex has 50% off now. Yeah, I wouldn't buy Apex accounts right now. I would wait. What's the best firm for straight to funded right now? I would say the best one right now is Tradeify. Tradeify is the best. Starter Plus is a fucking joke. Yeah, I've never used it. What's the deal at Starter Plus that sucks, Josh? Scaling rule is dog shit. Dude, my funded futures is great for newer traders because that's what I tell everybody. I mean, if you're going to slam like a ton of fucking accounts, but they were asking for like newer traders. Starter Plus is the same with the promo code. Interesting. Yeah. I would use Tradeify over TickTick. That's just one of the main differences with rules. You should look at if it's end of day drawdown or it's trailing. Not that it matters for me, but I'm just saying that's one of the bigger rules. Consistency rules. Those are the two biggest rules. Hold on one second. My kid who's throwing up all day needs me for 2 seconds. Dad duties. I'm back. Mrs. Cove is in the house. I didn't know she was here. Yo, passing on one day is a big rule also. They all vary a little bit, Adam. But the biggest thing you got to remember, Adam, at the end of the day, you got to make profitable trades. So that's the biggest thing. Tap, the one thing about Tradeify, they might have payout windows, but I don't think there's on the straight to funded, I don't think there's there's no monthly recurring. So once you're over the payout, you just don't trade it. But at the end of the day, Adam, you got to make profitable trades. So instead of like looking at 10 different prop firms, you should be looking at 10 different strategies that are profitable. And that's what I would be looking at. I would focus more on my strategy and probably just select an account between, Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, or Bullnox. I think the lower RR is better for props because you'll have a smaller loss streak. Yeah, I agree with that. Also with the drawdowns and shit like that. Man, trying to pass in one trade, I lost 5 straight accounts. Dude, don't try to pass in one. Don't try to pass in one trade. Yeah, don't try to ever pass in one. So how I pass my account is typically in 3 trades. I go on a 50K account. I try to go from 50,000. I try to make $1,200. My next trade, I try to make $800. And then once I'm at 52,000, I'm either going to take 1 or 2 trades to put it over the threshold. But that last trade is a trade I would take in my funded account. It's not just a fucking willy-nilly trade. It's a solid setup. Do I trade ICT concepts? I take things from everybody. If they trade fair value gaps, then yeah. But I use T-Trade's model right here. I use breaker blocks. But at the same time, I'll trade orbs, or I'll just straight up take a 200 moving average bounce. You know, I don't stick with one thing. I'm whatever the market presents itself. So for argument's sake, this is the hourly trading range, right? This blue line and this bottom blue line, right? I back tested that if you go over the blue line out of the hourly trading range over 50 points and come back, the bounce happens like 95% of the time. So that is a must take trade right here. And then you would have gotten 20, 30 points off of it. Dude, it's some fucking ICT thing where, like, if it's going up and then it's the one that does it. Let me see if I have. It's like the one block that's opposite whatever the trend is. Yeah, that's the it's the 1 hour opening range. Yeah, so Marco, we talked about that. The $85 thing is gonna stay around. It's the 90% off that's not. Yo, full port for the boys. Yo, later, brother. See you Monday. Anybody that's new, we stream at 10:30 in the morning till noon, and then again 2 o'clock till like 4:30 or 5, whatever. Do I have any experience with order flow / the tape? I have experience with options flow. When it comes to options flow, I have a lot of experience. When it comes to, I don't watch like the NASDAQ tape roll in, but I'll use this for all options flow on all different tickers. You could see it all come in, all the options flow. My funded futures rebill is the same for the accounts. I'll be honest with you, I don't get rebuild. That fucking account is either passed or smashed in like a week or two. The way I trade options, it's easier. But I do both all day, Adam. All day I do it. After your first payout with Apex, does the trailing drawdown stop? The trailing drawdown stops once you get past $52,600 on the 50K. Once you pass that, the drawdown there is no drawdown. Your drawdown stops at $50,100. I'll sometimes just buy a new one. If you get rebuild, it's the same amount, Caveman. It's just $80. Yeah, Vicious. All green, baby. All green. I prefer taking my payouts when I could take payouts. So I'll take a smaller payout. Why do I have to hold until I have a massive payout? Because God forbid I have a bad day, or argument's sake, earlier today, I got caught in this big candle down and I lost a bunch of money in a funded account. Now, what if I was pushing it and I don't know, I was in 5 mini and I got smoked? I don't want to get smoked and lose the account when I could have gotten a payout. I always take the money. I took a payout yesterday. It was like, what was it, $600, $700? I took a payout yesterday in my funded futures. I'm going to take another payout today in Topstep. Yo, after market close, I should play video games on the stream. Dude, I wish. I got dad duty. I got to go make dinner. I hang out. I got the family. I wish I was streaming back when I was 25 trading full time, man. I wish I was streaming back then. You got a 200,000 cash. Yeah. Good luck getting that money. Yeah, I got grown man shit to do, man. I got 2 kids. I do dinner after this. Yeah, man. I got dinner. I got all types of stuff, man. Kid stuff, bringing kids to sports. I have this is real life for me, man. I would stream Call of Duty if I could. Thanks, Margo. Yeah, I used to play Call of Duty all the time. I still go out, but I go out like I'll get a babysitter and go out. I'll get a babysitter. We go out. Me and the wife go out. Friends, whatever. I have friends that ask me to go out. I still go out with the boys. I go out. If it's summertime, I go out probably once or twice a week with the boys. Whoever's doing something. Bring the wife sometimes. Was that like one trade per account only? What are you talking about today? Sometimes I took one trade in 2 or 3 accounts. You can see the money's the same. Like these 2 accounts, the money's the same. That was one trade. Oh yeah, man. I was just at a bachelor party for my brother. There was 19 of us in Miami. It's freaking awesome. Dude, so Adam, I used to have back 2007 to 2010, I was trading full time as my full-time income. And there was a room of like 15. At any given time, there's 12 to 20 of us, full-time traders. Anybody that I know that trades full-time, I know about 5 people that trade full-time. That, that I could text message and shit like that. Like, not that I know on the internet, like that I know, face to face, I could text and whatnot, like 5 people. How much do I pay the babysitter? Dude, babysitters in New York, $25 an hour. $25 an hour for babysitters. Oh, man. So I left the OG group. I left in 2011 and I completely stopped trading 2012. I started a company. And so I left that group. And, I picked back trading up in 2017. Everybody I knew, it was on Pal Talk, and Pal Talk, I don't even think was around anymore. So I didn't have anybody's number or anything like that. So I just lost contact with everybody. And then from 2017 on, I kind of just, dude, I own a manufacturing company. Outside of trading, I own a manufacturing company. That's why I can't trade. I can't stream all day. I start streaming at 10:30 in the morning because my job, not my job, but I own the company. I start work at like 6 in the morning. And then I work on that business from 6 in the morning till about 10:30. I'll trade for an hour and a half on the stream. And I still have work questions and stuff that happen on my other monitor. And then after 12 o'clock, I put focus back on the business, and I'll still trade. And then, I put my 8 hours plus. And then when I get off the stream now, I still have work shit that goes on until about 6:30 or so. What made me go back to trading? I kind of missed it. I missed it, and the business was running where I didn't need to be in it for 12 hours a day. Dude, I love trading. If I can do it all back again, I would go work at like a fund, like a hedge fund or investing fund or something like that. My goal is to trade with big fucking wood. There was a time I had a lot of money in the markets, and I pulled a lot of it out because I didn't want to lose it all, to be honest with you, because there's swings in this game. I'm not talking about prop firms. I'm talking about like real money. And I've seen too many people have, a 7-figure, 8-figure account. I saw somebody go from, I want to say he went from like 8 million to like $2 million. I saw somebody lose about $6 million in 2021 to 22 to 23, something like that. They took a fucking bath. And then I saw them build it back up from $2 million back to like 5 or 6. But I didn't want to be that guy. I didn't want to lose that amount of money. So I've been trading mostly with honestly, I've been trading mostly with like $100,000 to $200,000, and I've just been pulling out gains constantly. And I actually told myself this year I'm not pulling money out. So right now I'm trading with, I'll tell you right now what I'm trading with. By the way, I'm super open about this shit. That's how, I am trading with approximately $158,000 is what I'm trading with. And I'm up about $7,000 this year. So like already I'm up. Was my portfolio up 4.5% already this year, which is crazy. But I'm going to dump money in. I'm going to build it up, and I'm going to continue to add money from my job, from my business work. And my goal is to get it to over $1 million. You trading 150 in an options account. If you add my AMP account, I got about call $165,000. Yeah. Oh, dude, I don't know. I got to go back. I got to look. That's a freaking no idea. I didn't start trading prop firms for real until I started streaming, which was what, like June or July. I didn't even trade a full year. Yeah. I was trading futures with real money before I was doing it on prop firms. I still traded with real money. But yeah, my goal is to, I would love to have a fucking crazy year where I could probably earn $200,000-$300,000 in the market and then throw in some extra money from work and get my account up to 500,000, 700,000, where I can start doing some really big fucking damage. It's fucked now. You need ridiculous credentials for these HFT firms or these hedge funds. It's a bunch of tried hands with crazy degrees and a lot of nepotism. Yeah. Keeson, what do I think about putting 100K in an AMP account and just swinging micros? That's up to you, man. It depends on how good you are. If you want to test out how good you are, I would do the same strategy in prop firms. And like, say you plan on holding at 6 p.m., you just rebuy. And that's how I would do it and see how profitable you are. But I pulled out a lot of money. So what I've done is I pulled out money out of the 168,000 and I put it into a retirement stock account. And that's completely separate from what I trade. That's all writing puts, longer term, and stock. There's nothing in there that's risky. I'm not buying calls. I'm not buying puts. I'm not doing anything that expires to be worthless. It's just a retirement fund. I have 5K right now. You know what I'd recommend you doing? Getting one prop firm and testing your strategy out, because for $50 you can test your strategy out, and if you're profitable, then go trade personal money. If you're not profitable, at least you're not going to lose $1,000 of your real money. Prop firms are great for testing out your strategy and then moving that strategy into a real account. Yeah, Key-san, and I agree with you, but if you make the decision and go long, say you got long somewhere up here, I mean, you need enough money that you can hold and be down 1,000 points. If you can be down 1,000 points then and hold, the odds are it's probably going to come back somewhat. Yeah, you can make $100,000 consistently with props. I'm going to be at $1,400, $1,500 in the first 2 days of the year. I'm going to go request a $700 payout right now. And I do it, and I trade live here. I mean, you guys all see it. It's not like I'm doing anything special. That, and I'm ready to get a payout, $500 away from a payout here. A couple of these are moving on up. Definitely possible. My funded futures paid me out in like a minute. Oh, guys, I haven't fucking eaten like all day. I ate 2 hard-boiled eggs and an avocado. I'm starving. I got to go make dinner. The family's waiting for me. If you guys want to support the stream, use the coupon code COVETRADER. Hopefully we'll be back Monday. Have some fun. Give away an account. And continue to get fucking payouts, guys. That's what it's about, right? Just keep making money. So that's the deal. Yo, Adam, this is how every stream is, man. Every stream, I am as open as you're going to find it on the internet, man. You got questions, I answer you. I try to answer everybody in the stream. And if I miss you in the stream, just put the same question out. I try to scroll up and see everything. But yeah, this is what it's about. You know, it's about helping other people get money. If I had a big account, I would short a few micro around 20. Yeah. I don't know, man. I hate playing those types of games, to be honest with you. Yeah, my kid's been throwing up. My kid threw up in my truck 4 times today. So I gotta go. I gotta go clean out my truck more tonight. Cove, how do you talk to women? I don't know. Like a normal person. You know, like a normal fucking human being should talk to a woman. That's pretty much how I talk to them. There's a couple women on the stream. Karen's in here. Marie's in here. All right, guys. Enjoy the weekend. Go make some memories with your friends, your family. I'm going to throw an options thing. I'm going to throw an options video up this weekend also on the options thing, you know. But all right, guys. Peace. Enjoy, everybody.